Here are 3 popular ways to cook king crab legs. To steam crab legs, first thaw them in your walk-in or reach-in cooler overnight. Place in a steamer basket inside a large stock pot and add 2 inches of water. Heat water to a boil, add in your desired seasonings, then carefully place the king crab legs into the basket. Next, reduce the heat and let crab legs simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove crab legs with tongs and serve with melted butter and lemon wedges. To begin grilling crab legs, first brush olive oil over them. Place them directly into a charbroiler or grill grate at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook crab legs for 5 to 7 minutes on one side, flip them, then cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Baking crab legs is a great option. First, place thawed crab legs in a shallow baking pan with about a 1/4 inch of water. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush crab legs with butter, seasonings, or lemon juice. Finally, cover the pan with aluminum foil and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Frozen king crab legs are a quick and easy seafood option to add to your menu.